In this video, you will learn how oxygen travels through the body, what decreases your oxygen level, and how does oxygen benefit the body.
Did you know that 2/3 of your body is made up of oxygen?
Did you know humans intake 6 million tons of oxygen each year?
Did you know that oxygen must reach tiny cells throughout the body to give them energy?
Did you know that you need oxygen to live? Hey Lati.
What? Chris, stop.
Hey Lati.
Chris, stop. Chris, I'm just You're so irritating. You're so irritating. Chris, use up all your oxygen supplies.
You had fun. You had a good time.
Air enters the lungs as muscles expand the chest outward. By opening the chest, the atmospheric pressure rushes air in to fill this space. Muscles contract and then force this air back out. It is a simple, elegant, and essential process for moving oxygen into the body.
As air rushes down into the lungs, it is warmed, moistened, and cleaned by the upper airways. The air then travels down to the trachea into the lungs. Here it continues through a smaller tube-like structures called bronchioles until it reaches the tiniest air sacs named alveoli. At this point, the tiny blood cells, vessels, and capillaries carry the blood past the alveoli, which then replenish it with new oxygen.
Oxygen is carried by hemoglobin in the red blood cells. These amazing carriers of oxygen become more efficient when less oxygen is available, helping us adapt. Altitudes of up to 6,000 feet can go unnoticed in the average person. But after this, the body can have more difficult time getting enough oxygen to the cells.
Oxygenated blood rushes from the capillaries in the lungs to larger and larger blood vessels until it is returned to the left side of the heart and is pumped about the rest of the body.
Large and small arteries provide a network to deliver the oxygenated blood to the cells. At critical points, these arteries break into increasingly smaller branches until they reach the capillaries, where the oxygen is fed into individual cells.
Alright, Chris, I want to take the balloon and act like it's the lungs. Like, you know how the lungs contract and like show like the bronchioles and stuff like that.
So, did you know that
Did you know? Shayna, what the heck?
throughout this video, we